Do you battle chronic health problems? Do you need to lose weight? Would you like to manage stress better? Do you want to be happier and more productive? Well, look no further. Come join us at Living Springs Retreat for our 1-week Detox Wellness Program starting Sunday, December 5th through Sunday, December 12th. Start each morning with a glass of fresh aloe lemon water and listen to an uplifting thought from God's Word. Throughout the week, you will enjoy relaxing body rubs, steam saunas, and daily exercise classes with certified personal trainers. We provide amazing lectures on holistic living, essential oils, home hydrotherapy, plant-based cooking classes, and natural remedies. Learn more about how to identify and combat disease with our naturopath. Experience a 2-day juice fast to cleanse your entire system. Speak one-on-one with our health director, who will provide a personal health protocol based on your needs. Situated in Roanoke, Alabama, amongst beautiful acreage, our wellness center is sure to help you relax and unwind. Our dedicated therapists and teachers will strive to motivate you to share these principles and implement them at home. You will leave feeling refreshed mentally, physically, and spiritually. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Get a head start on your New Year's resolutions now. Experience this life-changing principles for yourself. For more information and to register, visit www.livingspringsretreat.com or call us at 256-449-2628.